How to fix the icon spacing on Windows 11. Hey guys, and welcome back. Some users have recently reported that after updating the system, the spacing between the desktop icons have become huge. Some users also have reported that the size of the desktop icons becomes large. So if you are facing this error on your Windows 11 desktop icon spacing suddenly changed or messed up, here is a method which will help you restore it to the original state. For this, you have to access the registry editor. In order to open it, click on the search bar and type in regedit and hit the enter button. Once open on its search bar, you have to go to this location, which is computer/hkeycurrentuser/control panel/desktop/Windows metrics. Hit the enter button and you will land to this page on the right side of the screen. Now, hereby you need to check the values of icon spacing and icon vertical spacing. In order to modify one of these icons or values, you just have to right click on icon vertical or icon spacing and then go to modify. The value data of both of this is -1125 as a default value in some PC, while on other it is -1128. So make sure to change it and then restart the computer. And this should probably fix the issue. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.